Updated FOCP FinOps Certified Practitioner Exam Questions. Great study materials for preparation. Do you want to pass your FinOps Certified Practitioner (FOCP) exam easily? When preparing for the FOCP exam, you are required a thorough understanding of the subject matter and effective preparation strategies. Killtest has the most updated FOCP FinOps Certified Practitioner exam questions to be your great study materials for preparation. Obtain updated FOCP exam questions from Killtest and access these questions and answers for thorough preparation, allowing you to confidently take and excel in the FinOps Certified Practitioner (FOCP) exam. Understanding the FinOps Certified Practitioner (FOCP) certification exam. The FinOps Certified Practitioner (FOCP) is one of the popular FinOps certifications for professionals who are involved in cloud cost management, including financial analysts, cloud architects, cloud engineers, and business leaders. It is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of FinOps, including its principles, best practices, and tools. The FOCP exam questions of Killtest encompass the entire FinOps Certified Practitioner exam syllabus, ensuring you are thoroughly prepared on the day of your test. Killtest FOCP questions and answers will equip you with all the necessary information regarding the exam, enabling you to approach your preparation with confidence. Successfully undergo in FOCP study materials. The key to success in the FOCP exam lies in thorough preparation. Without proper preparation, you may feel unprepared and lack confidence during the exam. The FOCP updated exam questions from Killtest are meticulously verified by experts, guaranteeing the precision and reliability. By preparing with these updated and valid questions and answers, you can acquire advanced knowledge and ensure your readiness for the FinOps Certified Practitioner (FOCP) exam. The detailed and accurate information provided in the FOCP study materials helps you approach the exam with confidence and increase your chances of success. Read FOCP free exam questions to check the updated FOCP study materials. By utilizing the FOCP exam questions, you can achieve your FinOps Certified Practitioner (FOCP) certification goals, boost your career prospects, and confidently tackle the FOCP exam. Prepare effectively, embrace the resources available, and transform your exam journey into a successful and rewarding experience. We have FOCP free exam questions online for reading to check the updated FOCP study materials. Question 1. Which of the following statements would be true regarding FinOps? Question 2. What is FinOps really about at its fundamental level? Question 3. What term would we use to define the act of changing the size of provisioned resources to one that better matches needs? Question 4. What is Technology Business Management, TBM? Question 5. Which of the following would be the most direct description of what FinOps is about? Question 6. Your FinOps lead has requested all cloud expenses and would like to understand all costs realized and paid for this quarter. What type of expense would consider this? Question 7. Which of the following would be the correct description of what a cluster is in Kubernetes? Question 8. Which of the following is the best definition of a Kubernetes pod? Question 9. What is the name of the file format used in AWS cost and usage reports? Question 10. Which of the following is not part of the FinOps maturity model?